Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving the original. Duplicate the background layer and hide the copy. Once done, make a loose selection around the text with the lasso or rectangular marquee. You don't need pixel-perfect edges yet. Next, press Shift plus F5 to open Fill and choose Content Aware so Photoshop generates a quick replace. You do this first pass to remove most of the lettering and create a base that you can refine with tools, because automated fills speed up the detailed work. Once Content Aware has done its job, switch to the Patch tool to pull in nearby texture and match patterns. Drag selections to cleaner source areas to blend seams. Then alternate between the Spot Healing Brush for soft texture fixes and the Clone Stamp for precise structure replacement. Sample Alt-click frequently to avoid repeating artifacts. Make sure to toggle brush hardness and opacity. Lower opacity and multiple passes create natural transitions. You're aiming to rebuild texture while keeping lighting and grain consistent. To finish, check tonal and color consistency. Use levels or curves and the Match Color command if needed to unify the repaired area. Add a tiny amount of noise or Gaussian blur to match original grain and reduce the look of cloning lines, then sharpen selectively if the surrounding area is crisp. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD and export a flattened file for delivery. If things go wrong, like repeated patterning, undo to the duplicated layer and reselection. Then change your clone source or increase randomness in sampling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.